Good evening, friends. So I was just trying ChatGPT 3.5. I just simply asked a simple question. Tell me the SI unit of inertia. Then I got this reply. SI unit of inertia is kilogram meter squared. In physics, inertia refers to an object's resistance to changes in its state of motion or rest. The kilogram meter squared unit reflects the product of an object's mass and square of its distance from the specified axis. Now, when I talk about this SI unit, this is the SI unit of moment of inertia. When we talk about inertia and rotation. But when we simply ask SI unit of inertia, for example, in translation, its SI unit is kilogram. It is written in class 9th NCRT book. But when you Google it, just Google this question, SI unit of inertia, you will be getting the answer as this one, kg meter square. But this is in rotation because that term is moment of inertia. The dimensions of inertia, when I talk about translation, this is m1 l0 t0, and as estimated unit is kg, so it is a scalar quantity. But when we switch to rotation, moment of inertia, SI unit is same, kg meter square, and it is a tensor quantity. You need to pay attention here, and the dimensions will be m1 l2 t0. So basically, what I want to conclude from this video, Chat GPT is giving you outputs, but you have to verify those outputs with your concerned teacher. Are they correct or not? So this is just a request for all students which are directly referring to Google. They are just taking information. That information is correct or not, that must be like discussed with your teacher. So I hope you understand something new from this video clip. And if you like the concept, you can share the video clip. Thank you so much. Keep learning.